Let's walk through how to connect a GitHub repository to Dataform. This is a follow-along lesson, so feel free to pause the video at any point while you're completing each step. Take your time. We'll guide everything from start to finish. We'll start from a clean state, a newly created GitHub repo. When the repo is empty, GitHub will prompt you to add your first file. Just create a simple file called test and commit it. This initializes the repo and unlocks branching. Next, create the develop branch. Click on the branch selector, type develop, and choose create branch from main. This gives us the structure we need, main as production and develop for staging. Now switch to the develop branch. Click the green code button and copy the HTTPS clone URL. Head over to your Dataform project. Click the Settings tab, and under Git Settings, choose Connect with Git. In the pop-up, choose HTTPS as your protocol. Paste the GitHub URL you copied earlier. For default branch, type develop. Below that, you'll see a prompt to select a secret. This is where we give Dataform access to GitHub through a personal access token. To generate that token, go to GitHub. Click your profile icon, then go to Settings. Scroll down to Developer Settings and open Personal Access Tokens. Under Tokens Classic, click Generate New Token Classic. Give the token a name like Dataform_access. Set the expiration to no expiration. Now scroll down and enable these scopes. Repo workflow, admin::organad, admin::repo, hooks::user. All related subpermissions will be checked automatically. Once done, generate the token and copy it. Back in Dataform, click Create New Secret. Name it something like GitHub_secret and paste your token. If you need time to complete this step, pause the video and follow along. After saving the secret, try to link the repo again. At this point, you'll most likely get a permissions error. The error will say, the Dataform service account does not have permission to access the secret. You'll need to go to Secret Manager in Google Cloud, find the secret you created, click on it, and go to the Permissions tab. Add the Dataform service account shown in the error message and give it the secret accessor role. Save your changes. Now go back to Dataform, open the Git connection settings again, and hit Update. This time, the connection should go through. Your Dataform project is now fully linked to your GitHub repo. Make sure the default branch is still set to develop, and you're done. Now that your repo is fully connected, let's do the first push to GitHub. Open any workspace inside your Dataform project. For example, analyst_1. Make sure you're on the correct branch. Now, make a change. You can modify a file or create something simple like a second view. Once your change is ready, click the Git icon to open version control. Dataform will first ask you to pull the latest changes from the remote repo. Go ahead and pull. This keeps your workspace in sync with the branch on GitHub. Next, click to push your changes. This saves your updates to the branch on GitHub. Now you'll see a prompt to open a pull request. Click Create PR. It'll take you to GitHub. Here you can add a short description. For example, initialize repo, first PR. Leave everything else as is, and submit the pull request. If there are no conflicts, you'll be able to merge it directly into the develop branch. Once merged, GitHub will ask if you want to delete the branch. But don't worry about that. You can leave it. Dataform workspaces will continue using their dedicated branches as long as they exist. At this point, you've completed the full connection flow and pushed your first change into the Git managed pipeline.